Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Truist mortgage account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Truist mortgage login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll be taken to this login page. On this page, click on the button where it says sign in. Once you press on it, you'll see this kind of pop-up. On this pop-up, you'll have to provide a user ID and your password. So go ahead and enter your user ID. If you want to save your user ID, you can click on this check mark. And in case if you don't remember your user ID, you can click on this link to recover it. Now enter your password. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon and it will reveal your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to reset it. And if you are new to Truist Bank, you can sign up for a new account by clicking on this link. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the sign in button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.